Chevrolet has done it again. A timeless icon reborn with a futuristic edge. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 pickup is a masterpiece that blends vintage soul with modern-day performance and technology. Today, we're taking an up-close look at every detail, from its bold exterior design to the refined, tech-filled cabin and the power that lies under the hood. From the front, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 pickup commands attention. It proudly wears a reimagined version of the iconic horizontal grille, finished in chrome with bold black accents. The signature Chevrolet bow tie logo, illuminated in red, sits proudly at the center, giving a nod to its heritage while embracing the future. The futuristic LED matrix headlights feature U-shaped DRLs that merge retro design with cutting-edge illumination. Below, the sculpted chrome bumper integrates red aerodynamic accents and modern air intakes, balancing aggression with elegance. From the side, the 3100 retains its legendary silhouette, the rounded fenders, the strong shoulder line, and that unmistakable cab shape that pays homage to the 1950s original. But look closer, and you'll see it's been completely re-engineered. The truck rides low on massive black alloy wheels with red accents, paired with performance brakes that hint at serious power beneath. Subtle chrome mirrors, black-red side skirts, and flush handles give it a modern, sporty, street truck character. At the rear, the 3100's design is pure art. The bold Chevrolet script across the tailgate recalls its mid-century origins, now highlighted by a sleek LED light bar running horizontally. Vertical LED taillights with red borders emphasize width and modern precision. The dual exhaust setup with chrome-finished quad tips adds a performance edge, while the clean black and chrome bumper provides a modern contrast to the soft beige body color. Every inch of the 3100 feels premium and meticulously crafted. Step inside, and you'll find yourself in a cabin that rivals modern luxury sedans. The two-tone cream and red leather interior delivers an unmistakable sense of style and nostalgia, with perforated seats and red ambient lighting that gives it a cinematic glow. The dashboard blends retro curves with state-of-the-art technology. Dual digital displays sit elegantly within chrome frames, one for the driver and one for infotainment. The redesigned center console houses a premium electronic shifter, drive mode selector, and intuitive controls that merge classic craftsmanship with futuristic usability. Under the hood, the new Chevrolet 3100 pickup is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, tuned for both performance and efficiency, delivering over 400 horsepower. Power is sent through a 10-speed automatic transmission, offering a seamless balance between power and comfort. With adaptive suspension, modern braking systems, and precise steering calibration, this truck isn't just for show, it's built to drive. Whether cruising through the city or showcasing at a car meet, it turns every journey into a statement. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 pickup is expected to arrive in limited production by late 2025, with an estimated starting price of $65,000, depending on configuration and trim level. This isn't just a truck, it's a rolling piece of art, a symbol of Chevrolet's timeless design language, reborn for a new generation. So, what do you think? Has Chevrolet created the perfect blend of classic and modern with the 3100 revival? Let us know your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more deep dives into the automotive world.